Contact 13 is learning more about the Attorney General's lawsuit against Bank of America. Chief Investigator Darcy Spears has been exposing the bank's misdeeds since the summer. Tonight, she gives us an inside look at what state investigators found B of A doing to deceive Nevada homeowners.
Do you still feel like you're spinning your wheels
Absolutely.
and getting a whole lot of nowhere with them?
A whole lot of nowhere, yeah.
Despite dozens of news reports and scrutiny by officials across the country, Bank of America continues to mistreat its customers.
At least 20% of the loans in our state are serviced by Bank of America. So the impact is incredible.
After collecting complaints for a year and a half, Nevada's Attorney General is suing B of A for deceptive trade practices against Nevada homeowners.
It was time to force their hand because I don't think Bank of America would have come to the table. They're treating my office just like they treat the homeowner.
Beverly Turner says she and her family were treated like trash.
You kind of laugh at B of A's pledge to help people that has come in so many letters that you've seen.
Yes, we're here to help you. Help you out of your home. So I'll tell anybody out there, be careful. When you hear Bank of America, run.
B of A made the grave error of evicting her in the midst of negotiating a loan modification, then offered very little help to make good on their mistake. So Beverly had to walk away from the home where she raised her family. Both she and Joanne Licko have filed formal complaints with the Attorney General. Listen to what other consumers have reported to Masto's office.
I've been denied by Bank of America because they told me that the investor who holds the note on my home refused to modify, when in fact, in the course of our investigation, we've talked to that investor, and the investor said, I didn't know anything about it. Or I was told by Bank of America that I had to be in default before I would be eligible for this HAMP program, when that's a totally false statement.
They also have cases of families who've had to cash in their children's education fund to try to meet the requirements of a loan mod, only to have the bank foreclose on them. Others say B of A told them their modification was denied because they didn't make trial payments,
when in fact the borrower did make trial payments and Bank of America cashed the checks, and we have proof of it.
The AG says the bank's egregious pattern of conduct has had additional consequences here in Nevada.
In my office, we have over 200 companies we are investigating, criminally investigating for some form of loan foreclosure or rescue scam. Because I don't see that direct contact between Bank of America and their borrowers, now this cottage industry of loan scammers, they're out there.
She also says B of A is partly to blame for the increase in bankruptcies for Nevada families, and though other banks share in that, as Contact 13 has been reporting, B of A is by far the worst of the lot.
We've been trying to question Bank of America about this directly, but they say the man we need to speak to is on vacation for 2 weeks. Last week, they sent a written statement to say how disappointed they are in the Attorney General's lawsuit because they believe they've been working cooperatively with all states to address foreclosure-related issues. From our state's perspective, that's obviously not the case. Darcy Spears, Channel 13, Action News.
It's not too late if you want to get your complaint to the Attorney General. They tell Action News their investigation is ongoing. To contact them, click on the links icon in the big blue box at KTNV.com. We've also linked this story to all of Darcy's previous reports on Bank of America.